Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, we'll show you how to recover your deleted chats or messages on your X application. So if you're also wondering how to do so, you may just head over and follow up this process for that. So you can tap on X for that and open it up, and once you tap on it, you cannot recover deleted chat on X through the app itself, as deleting a conversation permanently removes it from your account. So the only reliable method is downloading the data. For that, from your main home screen right here, look out for your profile in the top left and select it. After that, a menu appears. Scroll down and select the option of settings and support, and tap on settings and privacy and open it up. Once you tap on settings and privacy, you need to select the option of your account and tap on it. After you tap on it, you need to select this option of downloading the archived data. So tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page right here. What you may do is follow the prompts to go ahead and look out for your archived messages. So you can just go over and download the archive. So you may wait for the process. First of all, tap on send code and verify that it is you. And then from this page right here, you can look out for the request archive option, and X should prepare your data. This can take up to a few minutes and sometimes up to a few hours as well. Once it is ready, you just need to go over and view it. And once that is done, open up the file and look out for the direct messages folder, and your deleted chats will be there. And that is it. So that is it, everybody. That's how you can recover your deleted messages on X. So if this video helped you out, do not forget to hit like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.